We believe that through doing this, we can improve the leadership of the sector and the delivery of services wherever they are being delivered.
Hi, my name is Russell Jarvis and I'm the Distribution Director at Octopus Investments. Octopus Investments is the fastest growing UK financial services firm. We offer a wide range of investment solutions designed around client needs.
I'm more comfortable paying for advice in the new RDR world on the basis that I have a much better understanding of what those costs cover.
Over the last few years, the number of people paying tax at a higher rate has increased substantially. Something like 4 million people, according to government figures, paying tax at 40%.
I think people have to remember that the word partnership is a vital thing to success in any of these contracts.
I'm sure you've got lots of questions about what you've heard today. That's why we've created the online forum, where you can pose those questions direct to us.
If Aegon was a drink, I think it would be a premium Dutch lager, Dutch owned, worldwide appeal, the quality end of the market, never the cheapest but always good value for money.
If Aegon was a drink, I would liken it to the people that work in Aegon, a cup of tea, where I would say that it's refreshing, it's warm and they're a great pick-me-up.
If Aegon was a drink, it would be coffee because it gets me up in the morning.
Now, I'm absolutely no good at managing risk outside of work. So on the first day of our holiday, we arrived at the airport and I went to the barrier to let my wife drive the car out of the car park, keyed in the code, she drove through, I followed on foot, barrier hit my head and I collapsed on the floor. So in future I'll be wearing a safety helmet on holiday.
My favourite part of the day is probably pretty difficult to nail down because there's quite a lot of good parts to it actually. It was really nice to see colleagues and friends that I haven't seen in a while.
Well, this is my third one of these conferences and I think today's, I've done the BV workshop, that was very good, but I think the paediatric dispensing with the lifelike dummies was excellent. I really enjoyed that.
It's been really nice to see lots of people that I know. Networking has been really good and a nice general mix of things today. So it's been, the variety's been really good today.
I'm lucky enough to speak to hundreds of financial advisors in workshops, seminars and through social media. And they're all at varying degrees of success on the RDR transition journey, but they're all looking for guidance. I think it's fantastic that it's all in your head because you've got those ideas. That's a great starting point. But the big challenge for us is, as you say, is making sure you turn those ideas into action.
What would you say has been the biggest mistake that you've made as a leader? And more importantly for us, I suppose, what did you learn from that?
It's a partnership that we're working in conjunction with Big Hearts Community Trust, which is the charitable part of Heart of Midlothian Football Club and Edinburgh Council. And it's about ensuring that kids in Edinburgh, in some of the schools close to where our head office is, all get the chance to have a healthy, good start to the day by having a good, nutritious breakfast.
2010 was a year of change for Aegon in the UK. In June, we announced plans to refocus and restructure our business. Our strategy will change to focus on two key markets, at retirement and workplace savings. Already strong in both these markets, we recognised that there were significant long-term growth opportunities.